Hey, it's Lars Hauwert here. Welcome to this video. So today I want to show you an app that has made some of my clients extra millions in revenue, and it's actually free and it's so easy to install. You can do it within 5 minutes. And probably you've never heard of this app. The app is called Easy Callback Request, and see here, it's made by Raven. And I'm telling you, this thing prints money. Now, most Shopify store owners are obsessed with low friction, making people buy directly from their website and never being in contact with anyone. But this app allows people to place a callback request, so people can leave their phone number and basically they want us to give them a call, which most likely is because some people don't want to call us up because they feel like they might have to wait in line and they don't want to. They just want us to call them. So by having this button here, this option, some people get over the edge to leave us their phone number, which will make that website visitor so much more valuable for us because we're able to call them, we can text them, we can follow up with them, we can do all this stuff to make them buy. So on average, what I've seen is around 30 to 35% conversion rate of those leads that come through from callback requests. So I've literally had clients that closed like a $9,000 order from a callback request, and that person otherwise would have likely not contacted us because we also did have a live chat. We did have a phone number very prominently on the website, but they chose to leave a callback request. So this app is honestly a no-brainer because it will generate you more sales. But besides that, it'll also provide you direct feedback because some people, when you call them, they might tell you that they were looking for certain information on your website about your products or about your company and they couldn't find it. So you'll right away also get feedback on how your store is looking and what you should improve on. So like I said, this callback request app has literally generated us additional millions in revenue. So I highly advise you to install this as well because probably you don't have it at this moment yet. So I hope you got a lot of value out of it and I hope you will install this app. If you have questions about it, let me know in the comments below. Also, there's a link in the description talking a bit about how we help e-commerce stores to grow their sales. Feel free to check it out if you want. I don't care if you click it or not. I just hope you'll install this callback request app, honestly. So, yeah, have a great day. Thanks for your attention, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.